Yo, bro, you should recycle this.
Think so?
Yeah, do you know what you can do with a plastic bottle?
I mean, like, throw it away.
That's funny, man. What's your name?
Omar.
My name's Tito. Nice to meet you, my man. Do you got a minute?
I mean, sure.
Dope. So check this out, right? The problem is plastic pollution. Every year, 8 million metric tons of plastic trash ends up in our oceans. That's equivalent to 5 plastic bags for every foot of coastline in the world, man.
Hey, that's a lot of plastic.
It's so much plastic, man.
So how's recycling gonna solve anything?
I'm glad you asked. Let me introduce you to somebody. This is my partner, Jason Lair. He's actually the engineer behind this really cool technology that converts plastic waste into 3D space. Jason, Omar was curious what you can do with a plastic bottle.
Okay, awesome. Well, what we have here is a little extruder which allows me to take a plastic bottle, which was once regarded as trash, and turn it into filament, which can be used for this 3D printer. Once you have the filament connected to the 3D printer, you can then take a bottle and turn it into more useful things, like a phone case.
Thanks. Wow, this is awesome. So this is Trimatis?
Yeah, so we're basically a business that makes filament that produces cool products like this.
And we help save the environment too.
Awesome.
Trimatis is a triple bottom line business with the goal to impact the Penn State campuses, the local community, and the environment by creating a sustainable and more cost-effective way to 3D print. This is done by helping reduce plastic waste by collecting plastic trash from local businesses and universities, then repurposing it into 3D printer filament. The filament created from the plastic bottles could then be sold through online stores with a primary target audience of 3D printing hobbyists and environmentalists. The vision of Trimatis is to be able to supply schools with an inexpensive filament that can be used for courses involving 3D printing, as well as educating youth about environmental development and STEM.